Thinking about online banking, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? Is it convenience? The ability to transfer funds from your couch, pay bills on the go, or check your balance at 2 a.m.? Or is it something else entirely? For many, the answer is security. We all want the ease of digital banking, but we also want to know our hard-earned money and personal information are safe. This is especially true with smaller, regional banks that might not have the brand recognition of the big national players. So, how secure is Poppy Bank's online banking? Let's break it down. First and foremost, Poppy Bank, like any other FDIC-insured institution, is required to comply with federal regulations designed to protect your personal information. This includes using computer safeguards and secured files and buildings. But what about their digital defenses? Poppy Bank states they use security measures that comply with federal law, including measures to protect personal information from unauthorized access and use. Their mobile app, for instance, offers biometrics, the ability to log in with your fingerprint or Face ID, a common and highly secure feature in modern banking. They also use 128-bit encryption for their online services, which is a standard security protocol that scrambles your data during transmission, making it unreadable to anyone who might try to intercept it. Poppy Bank also employs other standard security practices, such as requiring strong, complex passwords that you should change periodically. Beyond the technology, a lot of online security comes down to user behavior. Poppy Bank provides extensive resources on their website to help you protect yourself. This includes best practices like using unique passwords for your banking account, avoiding public Wi-Fi for sensitive transactions, and being wary of phishing attempts. They also have systems in place like transaction monitoring and alerts to help you stay on top of your account activity and catch any suspicious behavior early. So, is Poppy Bank's online banking secure? They've implemented a number of robust security measures that are in line with industry standards and federal regulations, and they actively educate their customers on how to protect themselves. But remember, the ultimate line of defense is a partnership between you and your bank. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.